If your child has a lingering cough that just won't go away, here's what you need to know. The CDC is warning about a spike in cases of Mycoplasma pneumonia, especially in young children. Doctors are seeing this rise firsthand as children develop what seems like a typical cold: runny nose, sore throat, and low energy. But soon, a deep, lingering cough follows, the telltale sign of Mycoplasma pneumonia, also known as walking pneumonia. This bacterial infection often starts like a regular cold, but it sticks around. Symptoms can include a cough, sore throat, red eyes, headaches, and sometimes even a rash. It's easily spread in schools, with kids bringing it home to their families. Pediatricians across the U.S. note cases are up tenfold this year, with children and teens most affected. The good news? Most cases are mild. Doctors say children can often be treated at home with plenty of fluids, fever reducers, and rest. For kids over 1, honey can even help soothe the cough. But parents should watch for warning signs, like difficulty breathing, high fevers, or fatigue that won't go away. If these occur, seek medical attention. For treatment, doctors recommend antibiotics, but it's crucial to get the right kind. Common antibiotics, like amoxicillin, don't work on Mycoplasma pneumonia. Instead, a macrolide, like azithromycin, is needed. Parents should also know that kids may still spread the infection weeks after symptoms start. Doctors suggest keeping children home until they're fever-free for 24 hours without medication and feel strong enough to return. Stay safe, keep an eye on those symptoms, and help stop the spread.